Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Windows 10 using Rufus. So first you need to open your browser. You can use any browser. Then after, in the address bar you need to type Rufus download and hit enter. You need to choose the first option, Rufus original website. Once it is loaded, you need to scroll down, and in this section you can see there are several download options here. In my case it is Windows 64-bit, so I need to choose first one. Now it is downloading. Once it is completed, you need to tap on it. Okay, now it is opened. Then we need to download Windows 10 ISO file. To do that, again you need to open new tab and type Windows 10 ISO download and hit enter. You can choose the second option because first one is creating a image file, so we need to choose the second option, up to down. Click on it. Once you are in that page, you need to scroll down a little bit, check which version is selected and other information in here. This is 22H2 version. Scroll down, and here you can see download button. Now it is loaded. Just tap on it and it is started to download. This will take small time to depending your internet speed, and it is around 4.5 gigabytes. So wait for download completed. Once it is completed, you need to again open Rufus software and you need to enter your pen drive. In this case I already added my pen drive. Make sure it should be at least 8 GB. Okay, now you need to select your pen drive in here. Then after, you need to select your ISO file. To do that, just tap on select option and choose the location the file is stored. In my case it is in local disk E. Okay, it is in here. So choose your version and tap on open. Okay, now it is scanning. Okay, once it is loaded, you have to make sure to do one thing. You need to find your partition scheme. To do that, you need to right click on the start menu and go to disk management. Now choose your disk you are going to install Windows 10. In my case, this is the disk I need to use for my Windows 10 installation. Right click on it, go to properties and go to volumes option. You can see in the partition style, in my case it is GPT. Sometimes your computer has MBR partition, so make sure which partition style is in your computer hard drive and remember that one. Then after, close this one and make sure to select it from here. Okay, this is automatically selected and you can change the pen drive name, it is not necessary. Then after, you can just tap on start. Now it has some information to ask. You can untick or tick this one, and this one asks for create username and regional. So I am going to not tick anything from here. Just tap on OK and it shows the warning. It OK, just tap on. Now it is showing deleting partitions, and then after it is start to install. So this will take around few time. So once it is completed, you can use this one for install the Windows. So this is how you can install the Windows 10 on your pen drive. Then after, you can install it on your computer. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.